Welcome to the channel. Today we are moving off safely and efficiently. The first step is to get in the car and perform the cockpit drill. So make sure firstly your seat is adjusted according to your height. Secondly, your steering wheel should be adjusted. And thirdly, make sure your seat belt is on. And fourthly, you check your mirrors. And then make sure your handbrake is on and the car is in neutral before you start the engine up. And then once you've done all these steps, you put your clutch all the way to the floor and turn the key forward and the car will start. To move off, you need to go into first gear, bring your clutch up to the biting point, and once your clutch is on biting point, you hold your feet steady, and then after that you check your 6 points, which is if your car is parked on the left, you need to start checking from the left all the way round and make sure you have a shoulder glance, which you are checking your blind spots. Once you've done all this, you take your handbrake off and then slightly start bringing your clutch up and start pressing your accelerator. And then once you safely moved off, you check your mirrors and then you change into second gear. Thank you for watching the channel and see you soon.